Hoax bomb threats were sent to schools and businesses across the country Thursday, including some right here in western Massachusetts. 22 News reporter Mike Masciadrelli found out how a Southwick business responded to this hoax threat.
They had no way of knowing it was a hoax at the time, so Wally Computer was evacuated after a bomb threat was emailed to one of their employees.
These were showing up everywhere. You realize that it's probably not a credible threat.
Hoax bomb threats were emailed to businesses, hospitals, and schools across the U.S. Thursday. Everyone cleared out of Wally Computer in Southwick after receiving the email at 1:45 Thursday afternoon.
First and foremost, the safety of our employees was paramount, right? So out of an abundance of caution, it was decided to evacuate the building and let the professionals do their job.
The email demanded that the company send a Bitcoin payment or else someone would detonate a bomb. The subject of the email read, "Your building is under my control." Wally Computer said this email was sent to one of their employees who quickly reported it to management. That's when they called the Southwick Fire and Police departments to make sure this building was safe.
Unfortunately, the problem with these threats is you don't know what's legitimate and what's not legitimate, so you have to treat them all as if they're legitimate, and the assurance that there is no actual issue going on.
Chief Anderson told 22 News they confirmed there was no bomb in the building after conducting a short investigation. Wally Computer was the only business in Southwick to report a bomb threat Thursday. The FBI is working to determine who was responsible for emailing the hoax bomb threats. I'm live in West Springfield tonight. Mike Masciadrelli, 22 News.